Huawei just announced its P60 series of phones with 3 entries. There's the vanilla Huawei P60, the Huawei P60 Pro and the Huawei P60 Art, which brings a more avant-garde design to the series. All 3 phones share the same core hardware 6.67-inch LTPO OLED screen with FHD Plus resolution, 1220x2700px, and a 1-120Hz refresh rate. The panels are protected by Kunlun glass and sport a built-in fingerprint scanner. Cameras are the P60 series Forte, so let's switch our focus for a bit. All 3 phones share the same 48MP main camera with an RYYB sensor and OIS. The sensor brings an f1.4 f4.0 10-speed variable aperture with automatic scene-based switching. This approach should capture the optimal amount of light depending on the shooting environment. Huawei's marketing materials are praising the new RYYB sensor's light capturing abilities as industry-leading. The main cam also supports up to 4K video recording. Moving on to the ultrawide sensor, P60 and P60 Pro share the same 13MP unit with f2.2 aperture, while P60 Art gets a 40MP sensor with the same aperture. Up next is the telephoto lens. P60 brings a 12MP telephoto module with an f3.4 aperture, OIS and 125mm equivalent lens. P60 Pro and P60 Art get fancier 48MP telephoto modules with OIS and a 90mm equivalent lens capable of 3.5x optical and 100x digital zoom. Telephoto lens on P60 Pro and P60 Art has an f2.1 aperture, which should fare much better in night shots than competing modules from other makers. Huawei says its new 48MP telephoto lens can capture the largest amount of light in the industry, which is a pretty bold claim. The sensor also features 3-axis stabilization.